Hey guys, today we have a 2010 Infiniti QX56. It's a V8, big motor of this Infiniti, and we have an all keys loss situation here. Well, technically we're doing some work here. The whole computer is fried, so we replaced the ECU. So we also replace everything on the keyless system, on the all immobilizer and BCM for this. So this is the original, this is the key that came with that whole system. So the key inside is not the right key for this ignition. So we replace everything here, but all the bearing are like the original still. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the key, find the key code and find the key, because we're gonna need that to turn on to wake up the whole car. All right, let's get started. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is find the key code, which we already have the key code pulled. It's inside the owner's manual, which is the 41275. So for us to gather that one, let's go ahead, go to our key tool max and the Dolphin cutter we have. Let's go ahead, go to all keys lost and find the Infiniti, and this is where you put the key code. So it's 41275. 41275. Press that. There you go, 41275. So right now it's searching. Make sure you have internet connected. That's what we needed. And it's saying we need the M1 tip 4 position, the second to the top. So M1. So we have M2 right now. So let's go switch it to M1 right here. All right, and then it says put. We got a blank key. We're gonna go ahead open this up, and this one an NSN 14. That's the key blank that we have. Put it second to the top. Tight it on the side. And then go ahead tighten the Allen screw from the top. Alright. So this one is gonna go ahead, press OK. And there you go, we have a beating already. It's in there. So what we're gonna do is go ahead, press cut key. Cutting key. Alright, same position, M1 clamp, top, continue. Alright. Alright, so that's done. 98%. Let's go ahead, clean it up. Clean it up. Let's go ahead, remove the Allen. That's it, guys. Alright, as you can see, that's the key cut. So what we're gonna do, we have to make sure that's the right key. That's the right cut. So let's go ahead, try it to the car. Let's see. Let's see if it goes in. Oh yeah. Locks and unlock. Let's try it again. Let's lock, unlock. Awesome. Awesome. Let's go ahead, try the ignition. If it will turn it. Okay. This one, let's try it one more time. Push it. Alright guys, let's go ahead program this. We already cut the key. So first thing we're gonna do, let's go to Autel IM508. Let's go to Infinity. This one I already unlocked the steering wheel. I didn't show you because I was figuring it out, but let me go to automatic selection and make sure that it says turn on the hazard light, which is we have the hazard light on. Make sure you get a good power, which is 12 volts. That's not bad. That's not bad. Open and close the driver door. There you go. Then let's go. Okay, let's get the system scan. A while ago we cut the key. It does unlock and lock the car, but when you put it here, the key, it does not turn because it's locked. So you're gonna have use this machine to unlock it so you can bypass the system, because that's the only way you'll be able to program this key. Okay, so let's leave it there. I'm show you how to unlock that one. And normally it tells you step by step. This one you got to do it yourself. You got to go on a different tabs to unlock it. And it didn't even tell you to unlock it prior programming. So even though it says guided all keys lost. So that's what we're doing. All keys lost. It doesn't have a key. So let's go wait for this system. It says 80%, 83. All right. Okay, pretty close. 93. There you go. 100%. Okay. What I went, instead of go to EMO status scan, I'm gonna go to EMO smart system. So let's go to remote control learning. There you go. You have to go to unlock ESCL, electronic steering control lock. So right now, as you can see, it's unlocked. We can try it again. Let's go ahead, unlock it. It says this function is only applicable to vehicle model with electronic steering column lock. This procedure will erase all the registered key ID. So we're gonna start from the scratch anyway. So press start, turn on the hazard warning lamp, which is on. Let's press OK. Switch the ignition to off. So that's off. This one's not gonna hurt it. So what you're gonna do is do that, and it says unlock success. What had happened? Seats turn on. See this now, it's, see how it's locked right there. This is unlocked. Okay, let's go continue.
Came on, man.
And that thing's came on, but we still have the EMO light right there. See that? So now we're gonna program this smart key. So let's go smart key. This is the knob style smart key, which is you have to turn it to use the smart key. I mean, not really, but you can use that too. Not a touch one. So we go knob style smart key. Diagnosing, smart key learning. Insert the small mechanical key into the knob and turn it on position, which is already in on position. Still have a good power and battery. Press OK. Communicating. Alright, just be patient and it's gonna go through. Whatever it asks us to do, just follow it. And this is why we need a good battery, because this is gonna drain it pretty quick. with all the accessories that we have, especially on the all newer cars. Okay, confirm the ignition switch is turned on. Test cable is connected well. See the battery. Alright, let's do it again. Let's go back. That's on. My dumb self didn't turn it all the way on. Let's do it again. Smart learning key. That is on. Okay. Let's do it again. Okay. I had it on one. There you go. This procedure erase all the registered key ID. Therefore, all the customer key should be obtained. Press yes.
Look at that mileage.
Where's the mileage at? Oh, okay. We have a mileage 89,000 miles. That's pretty good. Turn off the ignition and take out the mechanical key. Alright. Turn it off. Turn out the mechanical key. Press OK. Install the small mechanical key to the match in the knob. Turn on the ignition. And then it will flash 5 times. 1. Let's see. Until it go out. Oh. It says, let's see. Turn on the ignition switch. The EMO indicator will flash 5 times and then go out. So we got it on, and it didn't flash. Let's press OK. We have to press OK first. Would you like to program next one? No, let's try it again. Take off and turn key out. Okay. The first programmer key in the knob, turn on the ignition switch to 5 seconds. Let's put it again and then wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press OK. Take the ignition off. Take it out. Press OK. Start the program smart remote control function. Let's go start it. Insert the small mechanic key. Let's put it in again. Turn on the ignition. And then press OK. Establishing. Do you want to erase all the smart? Do you want to erase all Ignish original smart remote key? Let's just say no. Put the smart key that needs program close to the ignition knob and press the lock and unlock button key. Function failed. This one mechanic hasn't been programmed. It's not used to turn on the ignition. So normal state. Okay. Learning key. Alright. Let's see. Let's see if it will turn on. Let's just. There you go. I believe that's good. That is good. Let me see. The key is still blinking. I can't start it. Can't turn it over because I haven't read it. Alright, let's go ahead see and clone this key. So Infiniti Nissan, the chip is in the keyblade. If you lose this one, you'll be fine. You can start it. But if you lose your keyblade, you're done. So we're gonna have another one here that we put a blank key here. Let's try to put it there. Let's go read the transponder. This is the new one. See that? It's unlocked, clonable, but it's nothing there. Let's go ahead and read the one, the working one. Read transponder. There you go. Nissan. It's locked, but it's clonable. Let's try to clone it. Alright, let's start cloning. 46 transponder. Just checking right now. There you go. Take it out. Let's take it out. Let's put the new one here. Put it back there. There you go. Writing. Copy successfully. Alright, let's go test it. What you gonna do? So the one with the with a tag, that's the original that we have. So I'm gonna go ahead, leave them out the car. As you can see, you can't turn the knob. You can't turn the knob because we don't have the chip. Let's go ahead and put the original one right here. As you can see, let's put it inside here. No key. Oh, we still need that one.
I guess that's...
We still need that one. No, let's try this one. Let's see. You still need this one.
Oh yeah.
Somehow we still have it here. However, let's try to put it outside. Let's say we don't have that one. So no key, right? But with this, you can technically start the car. So when you put that as the original key, just twist it. You can see there's no flashing light, right? Okay. You can still start the car with this. Let's go ahead, get out the one we just cloned. See that? We got like super cheap right there. Let's go ahead. Let me see. Doesn't go in perfectly. We need to go. There you go. There you go, guys. That will start the car. It doesn't have the light. Ready to go. Easy fix, guys. We're just gonna glue it and we're ready to go. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.